Hello everyone, I am Mohammad Safla Khan and our subject is Citizenship, Education and Community Engagement, and our course code is 8606 of Allama Iqbal Open University, and our last unit of this book is unit number 9, which is collaboration between school and community. So let students understand this chapter. First of all, introduction. Schools have long recognized that they have a role in supporting young people's wider development of what educational attainment is a critically important part. The guidance note that excellent teachers and learning to unlock the potential of every child may continue to be the core business of schools, on which they have the lead role. But schools can do and do also make a significant collaboration to other aspects of development, both because these are important in their own rights for good childhood and because they impact on children's ability to learn and develop. School community collaboration occurs when groups of or agencies come together to establish an educative community. Students, now we're going to understand about community development theory. Since the last 19th century, the use of the term community has recommended to some extent associated with the hope and the wish of receiving one more than close, warmer, more harmonious type of bond between people ambiguously attributed to past ages. Before 1910, there was little social science literature concerned community, and it was really on rely only in 1915 that the first clear sociological definition emerged. This may coined by C.J. Gilpin in relative to defining rural community in terms of the trade and service areas surrounding a central village. A number of competing definitions of community quickly followed. Some focused on community as a geographical area, some on a group of people living in a particular place, and other which look to community as an area of common life. Students, now we're going to understand about approaches in the theory of community in which place, interest, and common union come. It means communication union come. Where you can see above, communication can be approached as a value. It may well be used to bring together a number of elements, that is solidarity, commitment, maturity, trust. Communication can be approached as a described category or set of variable. Initially, communication can be explored in three different ways, which I tell you previously: place, interest, and communion. Students, now we're going to study about community as network and logical social system. In this, it is a fact that people live close to one another and do not necessarily mean that they have more to do with each other. It is the nature of the relationship between people and the social network of which they are a part of that is often seen as one of the most significant aspect of community. When people are asked about the or what communication mean to them, it is such network that are mutually commonly cited. Beyond the permit live work relation, place, neighborhood, civil life, and a group of other Vigor identify five type of sportive networks. Students, now it is continue topic. Vigor identify five types of sport networks. The local family dependent sportive network, the mainly related on the close kid who often share a household or living logically. The locally interest sportive networks. This type of consists of local families, friends and neighbors. The local self-contains sport network, usually retired in scale and containing many neighbors. This forms has relatively little kid involvement. The wider community focused sport network involves a high level of community activities. The form also typically entitle a high number of friends and kin. The private restriction sport network categorized by an absence of close kind ask for a spouse. In some cases, this type also means few friends or neighbors. Students, now we're going to understand about community norms and habits. To judge the quality of life within a particular community, we need to explore what shared expectations there are about the way people share behavior and whether different individuals take these on. Three links qualities appears with some regularity in discussion of community life: tolerance, reciprocity, and trust. Friends, now we're going to understand about social capital, a sense of belonging and the concerned experience of social network and the relationship of the trust, etc., that are involved can bring significant benefits. However, the sense of attachment and quality of social network varies greatly between the different communities that people name. Child development, public aspect, public space, economic prosperity. Students, now we're going to understand about formation of objectives for community school collaboration. Schools do not exist in isolation and they cannot do it alone. To keep students in a school, their social, economic and family needs as well as their academic needs must be met. They need the support and help the whole community to often harder statement. It takes a village to raise a child. It is very true. Volunteers and founding are two major ways that community support their schools. Some of the initiative that involves partnering with the community are schools to work programs, after school center and parental involvement programs. Students, now we're going to understand about improving school community collaboration by formulating objectives. So in this, encourage community use of school facilities, gold cards, honored passes, positive reinforcement, student re- recognition, honor society, senior citizen banquet comes. Students, now we're going to understand about selection of representative for collaboration. A community representative must be a member of the community and can be a parent of a child in the school. Community representatives are approached by school council members. A community representative bring an additional perspective to council decision, expresses the viewpoint of the community they represent. Communities the activities of the council to stakeholders work collectively towards the common goal of improving teaching, learning, and student achievement. Participation in the school development process with other participants in prepared for council meeting and decisions. Students, now we're going to understand about collaboration with the local bodies. An effective family communication school collaboration must come together at a local level. Thus, a school and its surroundings community are a reasonable facial point around which the build an infrastructure. Primary emphasis on the level meshes initially with an contemporarily restrict restructuring view that stress increased school-based and neighboring control. From local perspective, from the focus is on mechanism at the school neighbor level based on the analysis of what is need to be facilitated and emphasize efforts at a localized mechanism are conceived that enable several schools neighborhood collaborate to work together for increased effective efficiency and economy of scale. Example connecting a complex or family of schools such as a high school and its feeder schools. Students, now we're going to understand about parent teacher meeting. Parent teacher meeting are a regular feature of a school life. Often they add to stress load. Not only do they usually occur but are able but are about a busy day of teaching. Many teachers feel uncomfortable dealing with parents. Communication with parents and guardians of students require considerable planning and effort on the teacher's part. One method will not work with all parents. Communication with family can be face to face, parents, writers, or electronic. An opportunity for face to face verbal communication occurs at parental techniques conferences. If run effectively, conferences can offer great opportunities to establish good relations, but if handled poorly, they can have negative consequences. Students, now we're going to understand about mechanisms to promote communication. Teachers attempt to establish participate with parents to sports students learning through communication is a fundamentals to the today's partnership and to build up a sense of community between home and school. In these changing time, teachers must continue to develop and expand their skills in order to maximize the effective communication with parents. Enables of communication: one-way communication, two-way communication. Students, now we're going to understand about barriers to communication. Cultural difference on a particular level, economical and time considerance, lack of technology. Students, now we're going to understand about overcome legislative barriers. Speak slow and clear. Ask for clarification. Avoid idioms. Avoid slogan language. Be specific. Be parental. So, at the end, always have a faith in your ability. Success with will come your way eventually. Best of luck from my side. Hope your this subject citizen education and community engagement is over, and hopefully it will benefit you to the, and best wishes from my side to your this exam. Bye bye.